that there are forces of nature at work in this country, the combination of volcanic eruption and the glacial nature of this part of the country, which can create for a long period extraordinary damage to modern advanced societies. Unfortunately, what we have seen in the last few days could only be a beginning of an experience which might be repeated throughout the 21st century, because the history of these volcanoes in my country shows that they will erupt regularly, and the time for example, for Katla to erupt is coming close.
That's another volcano, of course, which mercifully hasn't gone off yet, has it?
No, but it's much bigger, and what we have seen now is, in fact, a small rehearsal of what would happen. I don't say if, but I say when Katla will erupt. It usually erupts once every century. The last one was in 1918. So we have for some years been waiting for that eruption. We have prepared rescue services and emergency plans in our own country. So I think it is high time for European governments and airline authorities all over Europe and the world to start planning for the eventual Katla eruption.